Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Hilux. So this car was a problem. This car is not starting. You can see the ignition power there, but when we crank in, this is not cranking. It looks like battery dead, and the power window is not working, and no any lights, brake lights, not hazard, nothing's working. So we have to find what's going on. So we can see in here the alternator fuse is blown in. Got the thing. You can see in here the 100 alternator fuse. This one is blown, so I can see the clear picture. Hard to see. You can see a black spot mark there. You can see in here the 100 amp alternator, the fuse, this blown. So we have to take it off this whole the fuse assembly to replace that fuse. So I'm going to pulling out that fuse. Before do that, do the battery terminal off, because we are going to pull in the positive line like this. I have the both connect the positives. Okay, then we have to off this 10mm bolt. I already took off. And this one up the sideway, and you can see the clips in here. So I have to pull the clips and take it out. So we have to off the clips in here. 1, 2, 3, and here. Number 4 clips in here. So you have to off this clip first. And also side. Okay. And we have to off this the 10mm bolts. So let's check it out. Another clip in here. Got the separate. Okay, get the another two connector in here. You can see this side. One. Two. Get another 8mm. Okay, this is the part we need to replace it. So okay guys, this is the old part and we got the brand new parts. This is the 100 amp the fusible link for the through the wiring go to the alternator. So why this the fuse is blown, you can see in this edge. So we got any bad alternator, so we have to replace the alternator as well too. So first we put this part in and have to remove the alternator. So the internal fault in the alternator we have to replace for that one also. and this side one 8mm bolt. It's normally hand tight. All good. We have now clip back in. And put the power line back in. So 10mm bolt. And we have to put back in the back cover. All good. We have to put back in the diesel filter. Okay, don't put the battery wire first because the system has a short. We have to replace first the alternator, then after put back the later in the battery wires. So we're going to off the alternator. First we have to remove the air cleaner housing. So one 12mm bolt. So number 2. Okay, we have to off this the one connector in the back in here, the little one connector, this one, and the positive line. The clip plastic. Okay, you have to off the 10 volt. It's too tight. Okay, then you have to off the dry belt. We jump out the belt, take it out the alternator. Okay, we got the 14mm bolt in here, so we have to off that, the one pulley in here. The one adjuster, you have to take it out, otherwise we can't get this bolt out. This bolt out. Okay, got the one bolt, and we have to get the 12mm bolt in the underneath. Okay, another 12mm bolt is underneath, and we have to get the pry bar now, the lever it. Now it's free. So you have to put the new alternator. This is a brand new alternator, the genuine one. I'm going like this way. Okay, you have to put the bolts back in, then tighten the alternator. Okay guys, I'm already installed the alternator, the top bolt and the bottom bolt and the 10mm bolt and the wire connector, very hard to see, and put back in the dry belt and this tensioner. So we have to put back now the air cleaner housings, then after this start the car. Okay guys, we all things put back together, and that side the alternator, and I put the battery wire on, the negative end and the positive lines. So and then put the battery charger. So now it's not blowing fuse anymore, so we have to start the car, then have a look. Okay guys, finally we start the car. Now its engine is running. So all good, charging is alright. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.